Hello you all, कैसे हैं आप सब? Welcome back to our channel. Like always, we are back with our another interesting video. We all know that AI is becoming more and more popular these days, because of which many people are afraid of losing their jobs. AI is going to replace various job options in near future, but the list of jobs which can never be replaced are provided in this video. So continue watching. No matter what the technology will be introduced, no one can ever replace these jobs. Number 1, teacher. Without a teacher, a school institution can't run and no one can do a job a teacher does. Number 2, lawyers or judges. Similar to the teachers, it is quite impossible to replace lawyers or judges with AI. Number 3, director, manager, CEOs. These all are the pillars of a business organization and hence require a lot of personal interactions, meetings, and which becomes impossible to replace them. Number 4, HR managers. These plays a very important role in filling up the position in the company and recruiting employees, also in managing various things. No one can do the work of an HR managers as well, and hence this role is also irreplaceable. Number 5th, psychiatrist or psychologist. Now people who comes up for the counseling requires and need a lot of personal touch and engagement, which can be done only by the human. That's all we have for today. We will be back soon with our another interesting video. Till then, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.